Hi guys! In industrial manufacturing and high-volume production, downtime is your enemy and versatility is your greatest asset. I'm Laurent from thunderlaser, and today we are looking at how the thunderlaser Titan Pro is engineered to completely transform your workflow. It starts with unmatched versatility. One machine, endless possibilities. The Titan Pro is a true dual laser system, combining a CO2 and a fiber laser source in a single seamless frame. This means your shop can instantly process organics like wood and acrylic and immediately switch to marking high-grade metals like titanium or stainless steel. The true industrial advantage: zero changeover time. The system automatically switches between the CO2 and the fiber sources in a single pass. You eliminate the need for multiple machines, entirely automating complex, multi-material jobs. But versatility only matters if it solves real business problems. Let's look at two massive industrial applications. This high-end menu and this foam cutting. For the hospitality and branding sector, the Titan delivers flawless, client-ready finishing. When it's deep, rich engraving on natural cork or razor-sharp, permanent precision on cast acrylic, you can produce premium, high-margin products completely in-house. For manufacturing floors, the Titan is the ultimate 5S organization tool. Instead of waiting weeks for custom packaging or shadow boards, the powerful CO2 laser vaporizes dense foam perfectly in minutes, drastically improving your factory's tooling efficiency and workflow. When you have hundreds of parts to process, you need a machine that doesn't just run, it flies. Driven by industrial AC servo motors, the Titan achieves a staggering 300 millimeters per second with 8G acceleration. It's built for relentless, high-speed operation. Combine that speed with a massive working area, and you have unparalleled batch processing power. Whether you're marking 60 LED driver casing in a single run or engraving a massive grid of aluminum cards, the Titan turns days of production into hours, massively increasing your factory's daily output. Unmatched versatility, real-world industrial application, and extreme batch processing speed. The thunderlaser Titan Pro is not just an upgrade, it's the foundation of your production floor. So now just visit thunderlaser.com to connect with our experts and request a simple test on your own material to see exactly how we can scale your business today.